Welcome to Cassia Naturals. Welcome to Hey Tutorials. Healthy. Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a detox cleanser, lose fat detox with ginger, lemon, and cucumber. So you can prepare this cleansing drink either before it is best enjoyed cold from the fridge. So I suggest you store it therefore before serving. But before you go ahead and read know the steps on how we can make this, I want to tell you the benefits. Of course, we are going to use one cucumber and some lemons. I just used one and our ginger. So cucumbers give a cool kick to this drink and also provides a source of potassium. This mineral is crucial for regulating the electrolyte balance in your system, keeping blood pressure in check. Also, this low-calorie vegetable boosts your hydration as it's made of 95% water. Fresh ginger root makes this lemon water best with a spicy, peppery aroma and also adds a precious antioxidants as ginger helps fight inflammation. It's a crucial ingredient in this recipe to boost the detox properties of this drink. So finally, lemons add a fresh, tangy flavor. This cucumber water and enrich it with vitamin C and oxidants and potassium. So vitamin C is an essential water-soluble nutrient that needs to be replenished every day to keep a healthy immune system and glowing skin. So drinking a glass of this flavored water first thing in the morning and throughout the day is a great way to stay hydrated and reach your daily fluid needs. Also, sipping this drink supports those cleansing process in your system, flushing away toxins and chemicals. Pair this with cucumber water. That's the reason why we are adding our cucumber with a fiber-rich diet to unlock the full potential of its detox benefits. So, of course, you can choose whether to peel your cucumbers or not, but I didn't peel the cucumbers and I had to make sure that I cleanse everything, rinse with some water to make sure that we remove any pesticide or any dairy which may be there. So, we're going to slice. For the cucumber, you can use a sharp knife, a slicer, or a potato peeler. That is if you want to cut in fine strips. So, of course, I'm going to start with our ginger. So, actually, a knife is, a spoon is so great, like to peel the ginger. It's so easy, friends. So, this is a hack that you can use. Like, you don't need a knife or anything. Like, it's so quick. Look at that, friends. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. So friends, you know what? Your health is in your hands. When you are sick, it means that you'll be affected your skin, your hair. So if you want beautiful skin and hair, make sure that you're taking care of your healthy as well. So friends, this juice actually is best saved when chilled. So once you're done, you can store it in the fridge and for a refreshing drink, or keep it at room temperature if you're drinking it first thing in the morning. So friends, you need to take this drink to see the benefits at least, every 2 weeks or at least once per month, friends. It is very, very important, like to treat your skin, to detox at least once per month. And this is all natural. It doesn't have any, chemicals in it or any toxic ingredients. So the mixture of ginger, cucumber and lemon, they really help because cucumber actually composes of 96% water. It is even better. The addition of cucumber, lemon, ginger makes it even more beneficial by infusing it with more nutrients and oxidants. Plus, it's tastier than plain water. You want to drink more. This detox drink will also aid in weight loss. Studies show that people who have a high water intake get a significant decrease in body weight. Evidence suggests that water in general, including infused water with lemon, ginger, and cucumber, could enhance weight loss. More specifically, the combination of water and ginger can provide satiety and hydration on prolonged period of time, suggesting that it might help people manage weight loss more easily. Similarly, the polyphenol antioxidants found in lemons have been shown to significantly reduce weight gain in obese mice. Cucumber, lemon, and ginger also adds freshness and flavor to the water, making it a more flavorful drink, so you can enjoy it more often instead of plain water, juice, or soda. This juice was also improves gastrointestinal function and protection. Ginger has been proven to have gastroprotective activity by increasing gastric mucus secretion and inhibiting gastric acid secretion, thus improving ulcers. Ginger can also speed up emptying of stomach in people with chronic indigestion, consequently getting the digestive tract moving, prevents the buildup of toxins in the body. And remember, having a good digestion is also the key for having a flat tummy. But that's not all. It's just like ginger, consumption of lemons also show positive changes in the intestinal microbial structure and intestinal environment, as a result aiding the digestion and overall health. The juice was also, like this detox, will also help the body remove waste. Drinking cucumber, lemon, ginger infused water facilitates the production of urine. The movement of feces stimulates liver or kidney function and flushes harmful bacteria from the urinary tract. So the antimicrobial activities of ginger and lemon also adds to the benefits. One study also found that ginger supplementation caused significant H. pylori eradication. This juice also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties. Ginger's ability to decrease inflammation, swelling, and pain is well documented. Studies also show that cucumbers are rich in phytonutrients that provide antioxidants and anti-inflammatory benefits. The antioxidants in lemons are also powerful anti-inflammatory agents due to high content of vitamin C. It is water soluble, as such as easily leached in water, and antioxidants, they all work as anti-inflammatory agents. So now it's time to combine all our three important ingredient detox. So of course I used boiled water, clean water. You would want to go in with distilled water or clean water, friends. So I went in with some lukewarm water. This detox will also improve immunity. Cucumber, lemon, and ginger all have vitamin C and antioxidants, and all have immunity boosting properties. Due to their beneficial influence of microbial diversity, the risk of immune mediated disease reduces considerably. It also supports healthy skin. The cucumber, lemon, ginger water can help your skin from the inside out. Staying hydrated helps your body to flush away toxins and maintain a healthy skin. Cucumbers are rich in vitamin B, which can help with acne. Moreover, collagen production relies on vitamin C, which lemons are packed with. So the more we have, the more healthier our skin is. So friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. And comment in the section below, friends, and give this video a like. And comment in the section below if you have ever tried ginger, cucumber, lemon detox. So of course, these are simple ingredients that you can actually easily access. So now it's time to add in our lemon juice. So this juice is ready. You have to make sure that you actually drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. That is in the morning, that in between meals you can be drinking this detox. And for you to see the results, you have to make sure that you use it consequently, at least, once per month or every 2 weeks, because this is all natural. It's not going to actually, deter your healthy, but it will promote good health. So friends, like I mentioned earlier on, you just need some water. You need boiling water and cold water. You can mix cucumber, fresh cucumber slice, lemon, fresh lemon juice, and ginger, fresh ginger peeled and sliced or chopped, friends, and you're off to go. So look at that, so beautiful, right? Subscribe to our channel, friends, and make sure that you give this video a like. Yes, so like I did drink this detox and it was so nice. Of course, the taste was kind of weird. Yes, I suppose because of the ginger, it has that powerful, but of course it works wonders, friends. Yes, so I usually detox like a once per month. So like whatever God made is so beautiful. Look at that, friends. They look so, so, so beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.